Oh, just look at that sunrise.
Good morning, ecopenny viewers. Got another ecosports edition of ecopenny, snowshoeing in the snowy mountains. So I'm at Cooma at the moment. Stayed there the Friday night. It's early Saturday morning, so I'm ready to drive to Jindabyne to meet up with the rest of the crew. Ready to do a walk near Dainer's Gap a bit before Perisher Ski Resort. So got a bit of sun, a bit of wind, plenty of snow. It's going to be fun.
Got my Northern Lights snowshoes. So the snowshoes just stop you sinking into the snow. Spreads your weight over a larger area. Wow, look at these views. Oh, just beautiful. Snow's getting a bit thin now up here. Just started snowing, so it's time for the goggles and hood. Mist is coming in now. Just look at these icicle things here. There's Lake Jindabyne. That's a beautiful ice formation there. Oh, it's worth a good photo.
Oh.
There's been a bit of wind and mist, but overall pretty pleasant walking today.
Sorry?
You check it's too hot to go.
Going great, Julie. If I said it's a fantastic day today yet, awesome. Don't know if you can see the little bit of snow coming down, little flurries. It's a cage here to trap feral pigs. The snow's bucketing down now. Don't know if you can see it. Certainly see it on the glove. Snow! So magical, so good. There's the road up ahead. Almost at the end of today's walk. So done about a bit more than 6 kilometres. So pretty cool, had a bit of snow, a bit of sunshine, a bit of wind. Overall, pretty pleasant day weather-wise, because you can have everything from a blizzard to a sunny day in the snowy mountains here. Good morning, it's a Sunday morning, weather's a bit overcast and snowy and misty, so we're going to do the snowshoe loops at Smiggins. This is nice,
Yeah, take those photos, Lawrence, I'm relying on it.
This is a video at the moment.
hang on, where's the Ewart colour? Where am I? Mount Piper.
It's this one here, the Mount Piper Trail.
Oh, okay, is that one?
That's really nice. If the weather's improved, when we get back, we can do that.
Look at the beautiful icicles on the trees here. Just looks lovely. It's about 0 degrees, so it's chilly, but we've got the protective gear on, the gloves, jackets, etc. Close up of the icicles here. So this is where we branch off. 4K's straight ahead, and the 2K's are going to go to the right, so we're going to take the longer loop. So at this point, just there. It's a morning tea spot and got some snow flurries now. We've even got a bit of blue sky and sunshine creeping through. It's just fantastic being out here on the snow. Look at all these shapes. Yeah, the wind's blowing the snow. There's our snow trails from where we came from. Just look at the awesome shape on this tree. Forged by all the wind. It's a different feeling here snowshoeing, being outside the ski resort, in the peace and quiet. It's just beautiful. Just amazing. You wouldn't realise a ski resort is a little bit over that way. Got some ski resort machinery here. We're almost back. I've got Smiggins ski resort in the distance there. Black diamond coming up.
Very elegant.
You made it. Cool.
My own special way.
So we finished that Smiggins 4K loop. It's 12:30, we've got extra time, sun's coming out, so we're going to walk the back of Mount Piper, walk to Perisher and then get the bus back from Perisher. This time we've got the orange markers to follow. Just walking up hills, hard work.
Reminds me of my ascent of Kilimanjaro in 14.
We're almost as high, about
Was that 2014? Yeah. Well, with the handicap system for age, this is the equivalent of Kilimanjaro.
I'm like, oh.
They're hard to find.
We're waiting for John to do the next bit of a walk.
No, we're waiting for Lawrence to hand over the camera to someone else.
I'm doing an important job filming here. I can't help you build the wall. This is our handiwork. Perisher's getting a bit closer now. We've got the Piper T-bar going up into Smiggins. Telemark there going up into Perisher Front Valleys. Interceptor chair going up to Blue Cow. Good work. Catch you later. We're on the road to Perisher now, we're almost there. There's the Perisher car park up ahead. Bit of Subaru sponsorship here. To get these. Oh, beautiful!
Carry me.
This is worth it walking all the way from Smiggins to Perisher. Yum.